Hey guys, welcome back to Thinker Zone. Today I am back with a very informative video on cancer metabolism, why cancer cells prefer glycolysis. In this video, we basically discuss the Warburg effect. Did you know cancer cells prefer a less efficient way to make energy, even when oxygen is plenty available? This strange behavior is known as Warburg Effect, and it's one of the biggest secrets of cancer metabolism. Today, let's uncover why cancer cells choose glycolysis over oxidative phosphorylation. So let us first know what is Warburg effect. The Warburg effect was discovered by the Otto Warburg in 1920s. He found that cancer cells rely mostly on glycolysis to produce energy. Even when oxygen is present. In normal cells, oxygen presence usually means using mitochondria and oxidative phosphorylation, which is much more efficient. Now let us discuss the difference between normal versus cancer cell. Normal cells are those which divide naturally, while cancer cells are those which divide uncontrollable. While cancer cells are those in which the growth is uncontrollable. In normal cells, glucose breaks down into pyruvate. Pyruvate then decomposes into the mitochondria where oxidative phosphorylation occurs and 36 ATPs per glucose are formed. While in the case of cancer cell, glucose breaks down in the process of glycolysis to lactate and only 2 ATP per glucose are formed. So why would cancer cells give up efficiency? Normal cells use glycolysis followed by oxidative phosphorylation, which produces 36 ATPs per glucose, while cancer cells use glycolysis even when oxygen is available in aerobic respiration. For aerobic glycolysis, it produces only 2 ATPs per glucose, compensated by increasing glucose uptake. So now let us discuss why glycolysis. In this picture, fructose can enter the body through two main systems, which is exogenous system, in which dietary sources like fruits, juices, cookies and sugary foods are present, while in the endogenous system inside the body, under conditions like hypoxia, diabetes, dehydration or aging, glucose can be converted into sorbitol and then into fructose through the polyol pathway. In the step 2, fructose in cancer cell. Once fructose is available, it enters the cancer cell. The key enzyme here is fructokinase, FK, which converts fructose into fructose 1-phosphate using ATP. There are two major pathways from this point of view. There are two important directions towards glycolysis. Fructose 1-phosphate feeds into glycolysis, producing ATP, lactate, lipids, and precursors through the pentose phosphate pathway. This supports rapid cancer cell. This supports rapid cancer cell growth. Towards uric acid, the breakdown also increases ADP, leading to uric acid production. Uric acid causes mitochondrial dysfunction, which is the central part of Warburg's effect, forcing cancer cells to rely on glycolysis rather than oxidative phosphorylation. While what are the consequences of the whole reaction? This metabolism reprogramming result is increased glycolysis, more lactate and acidic environment. Mitochondrial dysfunction reduced oxidative metabolism, while both together enhanced cancer growth. While what is a broader effect or impact, not only does this drive cancer, but it also linked other diseases or health problems like obesity, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, kidney injury, and cardiac hypertrophy. So the diagram beautifully shows how fructose metabolism fuels cancer cells through the Warburg effect, making glycolysis the preferred pathway for energy and biosynthesis in cancer cells. So let us now discuss the advantages for cancer cells. Rapid ATP generation through less efficient produce or provides intermediates for biosynthesis, nucleotides, lipids, and amino acids. Acidic environment like lactate production help invasion and metastasis, support uncontrolled proliferations. So what are the clinical? Doctors use this process in PET scans. Tumor light up because they consume more glucose. New therapies are being developed to target cancer metabolism by blocking glycolysis. Understanding this process gives us new ways to fight cancer. Now, let us move towards the conclusion of the whole discussion. The Warburg effect shows us the cancer cells are not just growing uncontrollably, they are rewiring their metabolism for survival. By understanding their energy secrets, scientists are discovering smarter ways to detect and treat cancer. So, next time you think about the cancer, remember it's not only about the cell division, it's also about a complete different way of making energy. Thank you for watching this video. Do let me know if you want more videos or information like this. Comment your favorite biochemistry topic in the comment section so that I will make video on that topic. Till then, stay happy, informative and study biochemistry.